Today I'm going to show you how to edit and overwrite data in Microsoft Excel. So this is the example. There is 1, 2, 3, and 4 the side, the column A, and 10, 11, 12, and 14 in the column C. So the first thing we're going to see is just how to edit a data. First you have to choose the cell. Then in that cell just double click. Then when you double click, these ribbons will get deactivated, which means you are working in this cell. If I escape from this, they are coming back again. So double click here, then you can edit in so you can edit the cell. As an example, I can write 5 here like this. So double click, then edit, or you can use F2, then you can edit this one. So the other thing, you can also replace this one, overwrite. To overwrite, just spot the cell, then just start typing like this. So spot the cell, then type like this. So by this way you can overwrite the data. The other is how you can edit function, how you can edit functions and formulas. Let me show you this one. Let us select this. Let's go this is auto sum, then click here. So it will show you the result. You see sum starting from C1 to C4. So this is auto sum. So the other way you can also sum this up by using the formula. This C1 plus C2 plus C3, then C4, then enter. You see the same result. Then how you can edit this formula and function. So this function is generated by the Excel by default, but this one it is created by yourself. You can create this formula by yourself, but this function is available in Excel. So how you can edit? You can edit this one by saying you can add plus 10 like this, then enter. You see now it is 57. Here also you can add 10 like this, 57. Or you can also go click here, then go to the formula bar at the top, then plus 10, then enter. You see now it is 57. Same here. You can also undo. Let us undo this one, and you can go here and plus 10. See now it is 57. So you can edit by using this method. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.